Guys, my name is Mason. I'm from the YouTube channel Purebloods Reaper Divided, and today I'm going to show you how to make a coffee maker for today's Lego tutorial. So, I have been trying to perfect doing this for a while, and I know it's usually not that perfect, but I thought it would be kind of fun, and you can make this for any Lego house. If you're making like a Lego house for outdoors, it might be a little easy, might be a little hard. So, today I'm going to kind of show you how to make a Lego coffee maker. So, the story of how I actually came up with the idea, because most of the ideas that I do are actually in my head, or sometimes I just watch Lego tutorials on how to do it. But I came up with the idea in my head, and I was like, it'd be kind of fun to make a little Lego coffee maker. So today, I'm going to show you how to do that. So, first thing that we're going to need, if you need to take the time to pause the video while I'm doing this so you can get the correct pieces you need, now would be the time to do so because I'm not going to explain it again. Okay, first piece we're going to need, you're going to need a little Lego base plate that looks like this. Okay? You're going to need 2 of these pieces in black. You're going to need 2 of these. Plus 2 of these, that's 4. 2 of these pieces right here. And 2 of these pieces right here. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do, I know I'm kind of up close a little bit, but I'm going to show you. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go like this. I'll show you. This is what it's going to look like, okay? So pay attention. Alright. Next thing that we're going to do, excuse me, still have a little bit of a cough. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put 2 of these down like that. I don't know if I have, yep, I do have an extra black. Okay. Alright, we're going to put 3 of these down, so it kind of looks like this. Then, we're going to go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and do 2 pieces like that, and then 2 on this side like this. Next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I also have that's not it. Also have 2 of these in black. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little coffee maker right here. I wonder if I could actually do this. Hold on a minute. Okay. So, let's see here. How much black do I have? I just came up with an idea. So, I'm wondering if I could actually go like this. And I put this little coffee maker thing right here. actually kind of looks cool like that. And this would be perfect for any little Lego thing that you decide to build. It's just a little Lego coffee maker. And you can do this for like any type of like Lego house or anything that you're interested in doing, like anything outdoorsy. This is a perfect little coffee maker that you can do. And then for the coffee maker pieces, sorry, 1 minute. Where's my... Huh? I thought I had a... Okay. Oh, I do. Okay. Not bad. I just need one more piece. Okay. Found it. Okay. Sorry about that. Alright, so there's our little Lego coffee maker. I had to add a few more pieces. And then these are just a couple more pieces I did to make my coffee maker. It's pretty easy. If you don't have any of the pieces like I have, you can always just like Amazon it. Or you can go to the Lego website, which I usually do, and order pieces from there as well. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Like I said, let me know if you guys want me to build anything else. I'm from the YouTube channel Purebloods Reaper Divided. I hope you guys have a wonderful good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.